In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a glitch transition in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app launches, you can either create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have footage ready to edit. Either option works, as long as you have clips available in your timeline. Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. A transition only works between clips, so make sure you have at least 2 pieces of footage ready to connect. After that, position the clips right next to each other with no gaps in between. This is important because transitions are placed where one clip ends and the next one begins. If there's empty space between them, the effect may not apply the way you expect. Now go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the Transitions library, where CapCut organizes different effects by style. From the left panel, click the Glitch category. This section contains transitions designed to create that digital distortion look, which is great for fast-paced edits, text-style videos, or dramatic scene changes. Take a moment to browse the available glitch transitions and see which one fits your project. Once you find one you like, such as slight jitter, select it. If the transition hasn't been installed yet, click the download icon and wait for the download to finish. This usually only takes a few moments, but it's important to let it complete before applying the effect. When the transition is ready, click the plus button to add it, or simply drag the transition between the 2 clips on your timeline. Then wait for it to appear in place. Once it shows up on the timeline, click directly on the transition so you can adjust its settings. If needed, change the transition duration to make the effect faster or slower. A shorter duration usually feels more punchy and energetic, while a slightly longer one can make the transition feel more noticeable. The best choice depends on the pacing of your video. After adjusting it, click the play button to preview the transition. Watch carefully to see how the first clip moves into the second one. If everything looks smooth and the glitch effect appears the way you want, then you've successfully applied a glitch transition in CapCut Desktop. That's it. You now know how to add and customize a glitch transition to make your edits feel more dynamic and professional.